Hi, this is Shraddha Mane from Persistent Systems. I am going to present on explainable AI. Power of machine learning is that the models developed can learn intricate patterns in the data and then make prediction on unseen data. However, domain expert questions the internal reasoning behind why model made certain decision, why not something else, what features were considered with what weightage when making decision, how do these features affect the final prediction, and this is exactly the problem explainable AI tries to solve. Today, deep neural networks are widely used in various applications such as self-driving cars, machine comprehension, weather forecasting, etc. However, these networks are pretty much black box models and they can be fooled easily. Scientists were studying the difference between computer vision and machine vision. They took CNN trained on ImageNet dataset which worked extremely well, especially on visual classification tasks. They took very noisy image which human cannot recognize, but surprisingly, CNN labeled it as object with 99% of confidence. Explainable AI is a technique that focuses on making ML models understood by humans. XAI becomes extremely critical when ML models are used for bigger and more critical tasks. For example, ML model for approving a bank loan. Explanations provided by XAI should answer all questions developer or end user has. Currently, AI models are evaluated by using metrics such as accuracy or F1 score on validation data. Real-world data may come from different distribution than training data, and then evaluation metric may be unjustifiable. Hence, explanations along with prediction can transform an untrustworthy or black box model into trustworthy or transparent one. Let's see a quick demo. Explanations are generated by using trained model and training data. Explanations can be generated for any data category, image, text or numeric. Let's see bank marketing model from numeric category. The data used here is direct marketing campaign which were based on phone call. The goal is to predict if client will subscribe a term deposit or not. Dataset has various features such as age, job, marital status, if client has housing loan, personal loan, duration of the phone call in seconds and so on. Global explanations are generated using all training data and trained model. It shows what patterns model has learned. This is feature importance plot which shows duration of the phone call is the most important feature. Outcome of the previous marketing campaign is the second highest important feature, and then housing loan. Here is another feature importance graph by different method. It also shows same three features are important: duration, P outcome and housing. This method shows us data distribution as well as its impact on the output. Duration has high spread of data. Low duration of phone call has negative impact on the output, whereas long duration is affecting positively. If client has housing loan, then there are less chances that client will subscribe a term deposit. Features are arranged according to their importance. We can also see the range in which feature has what impact on the output. For example, this plot shows if duration of the phone call is less than 100 seconds, then there are less chances that person will subscribe for term deposit. But if duration is more than 300 seconds, then there are high chances. We can generate local or client-specific explanations as well, where input data for particular client is considered for generating explanations. Here prediction probability is 0.89, which means positive output. This method shows that how each feature is contributing in final decision of the model. Here is another method to show feature importance for that particular client. We have seen in the global explanation that duration was the most important feature, but here outcome of the previous campaign is the most important one. Thus, Local explanations vary from client to client and not necessarily they will be in line with global explanations. In this method, value of campaign is taking decision towards negative, but P outcome, duration, etc. are taking towards positive. Therefore, final prediction is positive. This is how explainability can be a mediator between AI and society. It is also a useful tool for identifying issues in the ML model, artifacts in the training data, biases in the model, for improving model, for verifying results, and most importantly, for getting explanations. Thank you.